Alright, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this light today. A brand sent me this to make a video over. We're going to be installing it, showing you guys what it looks like. If you want to know what it looks like, just fast forward to the end of the video. First of all, we're going to have to install the base, which is going to be this guy right here. And there's just 2 screws that I'm going to be using. The same screws that I took this fan down with. That's why there's so many wires here. Okay, we got our base installed. And I just need 2 wires with the new light that's going in. So I just need this red wire and this black wire. So these other 2, I'm going to cap these off just like this. And get them out of the way. Okay, so the light itself is super adjustable because you don't necessarily, it's like really long right now, so I don't necessarily want it that long. So I'm going to shorten it up. All you got to do, this is a one-way grommet that's inside of here. So all you have to do is pull it, and it's going to shorten it up, and it can't go back the other way. It's all one way. So we're going to go ahead and shorten it up and decide where we... Okay, so I'm going to use a little wire, or piece of wire that I have in my toolbox to hold this thing up while I wire it up. Just to make things easier on myself. Okay, we got it wired up. Now, just going to screw it in. Okay, so lights installed. Like I said, it was super easy. We got it all adjusted and everything. I'll go ahead and get this last little piece of plastic off and show you guys what it looks like turned on. Okay, and this is what it looks like turned on. You can see I got it on like a soft white right now. I'm using the remote. I'm trying to get it to a very bright white. Went a little too low. Okay, so it's on now. You can see I got it to a bright white. I can take it all the way down to a soft light. I'm using the remote. And then I can also reduce the brightness. So you get a very low light, or turn it up all the way. As you can see, it gets extremely bright. The phone itself, it's kind of taking away some of the brightness because it automatically does that, but it is 10 times brighter in here than it was with the fan that I had before. And of course, you can turn it off, turn it on with a remote. That's a night light. Then you're going to have it's going to automatically change the different softnesses of the light. And I'll show you the remote here in a second. I'm doing all this with the remote. And then of course you can use the switch too. So this is what the remote looks like here. You can see I can go, you see the different light changes. I just want to kind of, if I point it up at the light itself, it changes. The camera is going to automatically dim the light so you can't really see. But see, I'm going to make it darker in here. So that's so that all the way down. You can see you go all the way up with it. You see how much brighter it's making the whole room. And then hit the night light. And we're going to go all the different softnesses. We're going to go here, turn all the way up, and then like I said, we can go half brightness, full bright. So all kinds of different functions, and of course off, on. So that's the functions of the remote. That's this light. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.